Welcome to Xpertifi newsletter. We will be discussing current banking news to keep you updated and informed. Let's dive into the news from last week. Indian companies increasingly seek overseas fundraising, RBI report. Indian companies are increasingly raising funds from international markets due to growing interest from foreign investors. According to the Reserve Bank of India (RBI), better availability of money and lower costs for protecting against currency risks are reasons for this. This trend shows a strong return to borrowing from abroad, reflecting the changes in the way companies are accessing credit within India. Indian banks ramp up market borrowing amid credit growth surge. Banks in India are increasingly borrowing money through market instruments, reaching a record high of Rs 9.32 lakh crore as of July 26. This surge is because the growth of loans credit is outpacing the growth of deposits, forcing banks to find other ways to raise funds. While banks have recently seen some improvement in deposits, it will take more time to balance out the amount of loans compared to deposits. Banks are still dealing with daily cash flow issues, so they are turning to market borrowing to manage these challenges. RBI sets framework for self-regulatory organizations in financial markets. The Reserve Bank of India has introduced a framework for recognizing self-regulatory organizations, SROs, in financial markets. To be eligible, an SRO must have a minimum of Rs 10 crores. The RBI aims to make financial markets more accessible, increase participation, and protect users by ensuring fair practices. An SRO will be responsible for creating and enforcing a code of conduct for its members. They will be offering guidance and support, especially to smaller entities, and sharing best practices that align with legal and regulatory requirements. Finance Minister urges RRBs to boost credit and raise awareness of government schemes. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has instructed regional rural banks, RRBs, to use their strong base of low-cost deposits like savings and current accounts to provide more loans. She also urged these banks to raise awareness about government programs, particularly in underdeveloped areas. She emphasized that RRBs should become more customer-friendly, use their local connections to boost performance, and increase their role in providing loans for agriculture and other priority sectors. Before we say goodbye for now, let's see how the various indices performed last week. Xpertifi has launched a banking course that guarantees 2 interviews with banks and NBFCs within 1 month of completing the course. So make sure to register yourself and inform your friends and family as well. Follow Xpertifi for banking jobs and news on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. See you next week with more news. Till then, take care.